शेनवारा कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टात नव्या चॅनलांचे धार्मिक विधीत उक्तावण जालें। बार्जवाल्यांचे प्रश्नार सध्याच्या सरकारान मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान न्याय दिल्लो आसा म्हण अखिल गोय बार्ज धनी संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष रेमंड डिसा उलयला। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
Barge Association goes long way. All the past chairmen, the presidents, the members, directors have put in their hard work, and it stands where it stands because of all the hard work put in. Today's times, the association and the industry is facing difficulties. The inland waterways operation is facing difficulties. This industry has contributed in a long way to the economy of the state. So also towards contributing, they contributed in a big way towards generating employment to the Goans. The figures which I had with me were roughly around 40,000 of persons were employed in this industry, around 6,000 crew, and more than 30,000 allied ancillaries.
As per the court directives and orders, the vessel has to move out by the 27th, so the hearing on the 27th. So they have asked them to move out the vessel before 27th of this month. She is likely to go to Jaigarh and Ratnagiri for dry docks. That is full repairs, you know.
आयज सान आमी चॅनल ओपन केला आनी हांव सोदमोता जे फुडली सिजन जे येता ते सिजन गेले त्या सिजनान बरें येता म्हणून कितें आमचे जायते मेंबर त्रासां पडलो हाय, लोन बँकी फाटी लागलो हाय, आनी जर तर सिजन जर बरें गेलें जाल्यार ते सगळे मेंबर हे प्रॉब्लेमांतले भायर सरोंक शकताय। तेच भाशेन कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट आनी इवन कॅप्टनान इवन मिनिस्टर फॉर पोर्ट्स जो चीफ मिनिस्टर आहलो आमकां तेणी सगळ्यांनी लास्ट 4 years आमकां त्रासां पडले तेन्ना आमकां ताणें आदार दिलो आहा, आपणा हात दिलो आहा आनी 4 वर्सां तेच्या आदारान आमकां काडलें। हांव सोजमता तेच भाशेन आतांय येता ती वर्सां आमकां तेंचो आदार आसता म्हणून आनी सपोर्ट आसता म्हणून।